Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll guide you through setting up a secure connection using the TLS Tunnel app on your Android device. This quick tutorial will help you customize your settings for safer browsing. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone and search for TLS Tunnel. Download and install the app. Once installed, open the TLS Tunnel app. Tap the pencil icon located at the top left corner to access the settings. Scroll down to find the protocol section and expand the options. Select Custom Method from the list. Check the box labeled Payload to enable custom configurations. Enter a valid custom payload in the provided text box. Tap the Save button at the top right corner to save your settings. Return to the app's home screen. Finally, tap the large circular Start button to establish your secure connection. And that's it. You're now set up with TLS Tunnel for enhanced security and privacy. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.